Hey, what's going on? My name's Eric. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you on the free version of TradingView what indicators I use and how I search for my stocks to try to find everything and how I do my trade setup. And after you watch a video, I will also show you the screener, how to look for these stocks that are hopefully going to make their way up. And so let's just get to it. If you find this useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. And remember, this is all for educational purposes. This is what your chart is going to be. As you can see, it's got the buy-sell indicator. We got the red line is a red SMA 9, and the yellow is an EMA 20. This white is an SMA 180. Sometimes I'll change it to do 100. There's not that big a difference. Then down below I got a MACD. This is all on the free version of TradingView. So how do you get this? I'll just click off of it and then I'll show you how I find this wonderful setup. Alright, so here we go. Your screen's going to be blank. So you just click up here on indicators and we're going to type in SMA 9/50/180. That's all you need to type in, and this will pop up by this M. Phillips. You just click on it and it's going to be this. Now, I don't like this many lines. I think it's too much noise. So to do that, you can click up here on settings, and I like to get rid of the blue line, which is an SMA 50. You can leave it if you want, but I don't think it's too necessary. Unless maybe you're long trading, maybe it's an investment trade, go ahead and put it on. And then I click off the buy-sell chart line, and then I'm all set up. You don't even... And then you go indicator one more time. I'll type in MACD and give myself a nice, so I can have a nice subchart. And there we go. So we're all set up because, I just don't. If it says buy, I just don't buy, even though it says that, there's strategies you want to use to get your probabilities up. So this is the chart setup. And then I will go to the screener. You have to go to another page, TradingView. So this is the front of the page. Or not the front of the page, you know what I mean. If you click on TradingView, you open up. This is what you're going to get. And I'm going on that I'm assuming that you've already signed up. The free version, you just have to give, an email address, and that's it. So just hover over products and you go to screeners here, and I'm going to go to stocks, and then after that we'll click on here to add new filter, and I go quickly to market data, average volume, and I just go down to 30 days. I'll click on it again, manual setup, and I like 1 million. You can click on whatever you want. Some people like 500,000. I like 1 million. Makes the weeds out the stocks that are hard to that are not as liquid. So here we go. We're down to 2,070, but that's too many to search for. So add new filter. I'm going to type in MACD. And add new filter, click on it again, and I'm going to do level crosses up. We are down to 54. I guess if you have time, you could check out 54 stocks. I do not. So I'm going to click on add new filter again, SMA, simple moving average. We'll click on that, and I will go all the way down to 200, add. Click on again, below price. We got 26. You could say 26 is good to just go through. I like to try to narrow it down if you are in the same boat as me. I'm just going to click in SMA, and we'll put this one on there, but I'm going to put 9-day. Here we go. and we'll click on it again, and we will go below price 0 to 10%. We got 15, and I like 10, so sometimes I'll try to make it less. I'll go to manual setup, and you can go 0 to 3%. We got 4, so 4. You go back, try to get some more. If this doesn't, but 4 is a nice one to pick, and these will all have something in common. Not exactly have a buy signal, but they're going to have where the MACD is crossing up. Definitely, this is definitely trending. Goldman Sachs looks good. It could have a couple more days here. Could be the top here. If I was real good at drawing stuff, here we go. There's support. There's support. Here's resistance. Maybe not. I would say resistance. I'd say resistance. Maybe not even there. I'm drawing bad lines, but there's definitely resistance here. There's resistance. Was sort of here. Then you had resistance here. Not enough. You want at least 2 to get resistance. That wasn't going down, so that's not going to be resistance. Let's get rid of these drawings before I confuse everybody on support and resistance. So there we go. You can go back, check out Crown Holdings, and click on and so yeah, that's how I found. There is another way. This had a buy. We missed it. May continue to go up. You can always find some sort of stock for maybe the daily move. So there we go. I'm going to click out of a lot of these stocks and show you the definite way to find those buy sell. It's a little tedious, but if you're crazy about stocks, it won't. So here we go. Got this. I'm going to click on this little so there's a screen button here once you get your chart up, and up on here, you go through all of them if you like, if your hands are fast. But up on here you can narrow it down a little bit. You can go to market cap. That's where I would go, and you just simply click on that. Then you'll click on this one. This is going to be the top stocks, and then you just click through. Maybe you'll catch one, maybe you won't. Use that click 1 or 2, but notice there's only like 40 stocks here. I just go through. I don't believe I found any. There's one. So here's one. Wells Fargo. I don't think this is not for the MACD hasn't crossed. It really hasn't gone down. This is one I wouldn't trade. I'm not saying it's not going to go up. I just don't like it. You could switch this up and go to, middlers, 2 billion. You check out small caps. Take a look at some of the small caps here. And we got a buy right there, right off the bat. And it's that easy. You just go through 1, 2, depending on how fast your computer is. You can go through pretty fast. There we go. And another buy. And another buy. Well, those are Wells Fargo, Charles Schwab, Brookfield, Intel. I think I'm off of something. HCA Healthcare. Not sure. I think I got on to my, it switched over to my actual list. I was like, whoa, what's going on here? So, but as you can see, just go through here like this, like a crazy person. There's another one. Kinnan Holdings went up, went down. Looks like we're gonna, this looks like a nice one. It's a nice swingy stock. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Let's do one of these. Let's do a trend line. You're like, what? A trend line? Yeah, because I see a nice trend here, sort of. Here we go. Maybe not, but let's see. It was low here. I bet you anything it bounces off here. Bounces off here. If it goes this way, I'd get out. If it goes this way, put in a buy. There'd be a probability. But it looks like just on the MACD it's going to go down. Just talking some stocks. This is all educational purposes, but that's what I see here. Leave a comment, suggestion. I love them. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, but I'm going to end it right there. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. You have a great day.